Hello, hello. Padilim na. Ayan. Dito si Tinay. Tinay, di na ako nakapag ano kay Tinay. Si Tinay Creation. Dito siya. I'm going to California. Ayan. Mag-hiking sana. Pero kumain muna bago mag-hiking. Walang snow dito ngayon. So yun. Pagod lang guys. Walang tulog. Alas 12. Walang pag. Hindi na, walang time. 4 na araw lang dito. Go, go, go. So yun. Sandali ah. That's a nice one. Thank you. Looks at the sunset. That's nice ah. Oo. Walang traffic guys dito. Oh.
Somehow we went into one lane. Kind of weird.
Wow. Maybe because you're in the province.
Like we're getting in. I don't know. Kind of weird. Yeah, in the province.
Ano, grabe naman mga dito, disyerto. Disyerto na. Sunset. Oh, may mga pulis ah. May nahuli ah. Ayan, may nahuli. Mahal kayo multa niyan pag nahuli kayo guys. $100. Ayan. Oh wow, what happened? Oh, nobody's in there.
He's in the car. Probably.
Ah, okay.
Maybe not.
Thunder Bluff, Han. Ranch Homes.
I think that's the
Thunder
name,
Bluff.
That's the name of the subdivision.
Oh wow, we
See
can
right
do.
there, Pahrump.
Pahrump.
Welcome to Pahrump.
Pahrump. We can do our place
There's a lot
time.
of houses out here, isn't there?
Yeah. They're farther though. They probably commute to.
Yeah, this commute.
Yeah, they go commute.
Pretty nice. Nice neighborhood out here. Don't have all this big city mess. Fireworks.
Pink box. Oh, pink box donuts.
Yeah,
Oh.
that looks good.
Oh, let's do that.
Yeah.
Bring it home. I can do that.
There's Mountain Falls.
Mountain Falls. Oh. Oh, look at that sunset there. That was amazing. Look at that. Ang
It's
ganda ng
kinda cool, isn't
sunset,
it?
guys.
Kinda cool.
Ang ganda ng sunset dito. Iba-ibang kulay. Ganda. Yeah. Kakain lang palang mga sunset. Crazy Horse. Yeah. Well, that's what we should call our place. Crazy Horse next to Crazy.
In about 10 miles, turn left onto East Bella Vista
Ay,
Avenue.
ang ganda. Parang ano, ganda. Relax, relax lang guys. Ayan, tignan nyo, no? Ganda naman dyan. Ayan. Diyos mio. Padilim nak. So you have to drive fast, Han. Oh, there's a lot of cars there. Oh, maybe car racing there.
Spring Mountain, maybe it's
Maybe in California they have better. Let's go around. Maybe they have a better shopping there.
we're
Ganda
going to
ng
a
sky,
resort
guys.
in a national park.